Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Evanity Star coming to you with another video. And today, as you can look at the title guys, I'll be eating some jollof rice and some lamb. With I have here tomato and I have cucumber and I have one egg. I have never eaten jollof rice before, but I am going to be doing this with you guys because I just want to experiment. But guys, for my subscribers again, just thank you for being there for me and supporting me. And for new subscriber, welcome. And for those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, just go ahead and just smash that button and give me that thumbs up and ring the notification bell and just share my video guys, and let's grow together. So today I am going to be thanking you very much for always being there with me guys. It's a pleasure having you here with me to share this. And today I'm just gonna do a quick prayer over this food and make sure, I just want just do a quick prayer over this food. Dear Father, as I come before you, just want to thank you again for another opportunity that you have given me to be eating here, and hope that this food nourish and cherish my body. Amen. Amen. So today I have jollof rice and lamb. So I am going to be eating this. I've eaten lamb because I've eaten some African food before on a previous video, but I've never eaten jollof rice. So I'm going to be trying this and see the excitement that everybody's talking about. So, I'll have to be washing my hands. I'm going to be washing my hands right now because we have to eat with our fingers. But I am going to be doing this, guys. So first, I'm going to eat my egg because I love it. Yeah, I can dance to this. I can really dance to this. This really tastes nice. Yeah. My water, Aquafina. Oh, I could eat this. I saw somebody from my job brought, she said it was jollof rice, but it doesn't look like this. This one is fine. Look at it guys, look at this, the nature of the, I'm trying to show you the nature. Oh, come on, I can't. This is nice, really nice. Wow. This tastes better than my Jamaican food. Boy, I can't believe this. This tastes so nice, man. Oh boy. This one will make me dance. Whoa. Oh. This is so nice. What? What they put in this? Is it just the rice or something they put? You can just actually eat the rice by itself. This is good. Wow. Guys, go to Hardy International Food. Let me give you the actual, because this here is Hardy International Food Restaurant on 717 East Main Street, Suite 119, Raleigh, North Carolina. This is off the chain. I can't believe this one is sweet. This is no comparison to Jamaican food. This is above. Ah. Mmm. Woo. This is sweet. Mmm. I can actually eat the rice by itself. Mmm. Ah. I've never. Wow. I was wondering what in the world they were talking about jollof rice. What in the world? But this one is banging. Mmm. They put all me in this one. Oh my God. This one is fit. Mmm. Mmm. I can't believe this. I'm going to have to learn how to cook this. I'm going to really have to learn how to cook this. Alright, this is banging. Mmm. Mmm. This one wanted to make me take my clothes off. This is good. This is good. I was a little skeptical, but I would rather this over my Jamaican rice and peas any time. No disrespect to my culture, but this is good. Mmm. 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 Ooh. I can't eat this rice by itself every day, every day. No, I know what they're talking about. Mmm. 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 You got me rocking. Mmm. Woo! This is good. I wonder what kind of spice they use in this. Huh? Oh my. This is called Hold Me Spice. I tell you. Oh! I'm still in a dream. Oh my God. If I wasn't using my phone to do this video, I'd have to call my African friend because I wanted was to thank him live. Because he invited me to come back and get this food and try it. I was like, wow, let me do this. No, man. Mmm. I wonder what kind of spice they use on this. There's this. Ooh. I can fly. Woo. Just regular egg. I know the taste. This egg is just egg. There's nothing special about this egg because I eat egg almost, you know. But let me see here. Something is special about this jollof rice. What? I have to learn these ingredients. I don't even know what they use. I have to find it. Mmm. Am I going to eat off all this rice? But it seems like it. Huh? Yeah. Of all the food, this is rated. This is rated #1. Followed by my Jamaican food. I never thought any food could beat Jamaican food, but this is good. This is really, really, really good. I'm practically full already. But it's so nice. I'm behaving like a greedy child right now, but I've never eaten nothing this delicious. I've eaten delicious food, but for the first time trying something from a different culture, I was able to appreciate it like this. Whew. I believe I can fly. Woo. I believe this. I feel like walking on my hands. Woo. Oh, yes, sir. No way. Every time I hear people talking about jollof rice, I'm like, what? Rice and peas. Jollof rice. Trying to compare it and say, what are they talking about? I don't even know what they're talking about now. I'm not going to be able to eat off everything because I'm full already. Oh, wow. Woo! No way. This is too good to be true. Thank you, the International Food Restaurant, because this is too delicious. This is too nice. This is really good. So guys, if you need a plate, just go to 717 East Main Street. It's in Raleigh, North Carolina. Now, this is bang! I can't talk. You're missing out. If you don't get a plate of this jollof rice with lamb, you're missing out. You're really missing out. So guys, licking my lips. This is good. I don't want the taste to ever leave my mouth. This is off the chain. I'm telling you. And Honestly, guys, I am not joking. It is very delicious. I don't know what is it that is so that makes it so nice. Maybe the way how they cook it, the spices that they put in it. But this reminds me of when I was a little girl in Jamaica and my grandmother used to cook. And the sweetness, that sweetness where the neighbors would come and they would ask for the pot bottom of our pot. She used to want them to wash the dishes because you know you used to have a lot of poor kids around the community, and they used to come and my grandmother used to feed them, but they had to do work, so they used to be scraping the pot, and this is what it tastes like. They used to just scrape the pot with the gravy and the rice and everything, and they were just getting down. And I remember they're licking their finger off. I used to lick mine, but you know I got mine on the platter already. But this is absolutely delicious. I wish I was getting paid to do this, but I'm not. But being generous, I remember just being really honest that this food is honestly and really delicious. Honestly, is there anything else honestly delicious? I am making things up, but it is really delicious. It is really delicious. Nice. Guys, take it from me. As a person who has never eaten jollof rice before, eating it for the first time, this is off the chain. So guys, I'm happy for you to be here with me, to really enjoy this video and to really participate in my deliciousness. My deliciousness. I will do this again and again, but you know, even though you see me here, guys, I'm losing weight, but you know, because I don't want to eat too much rice. Normally I eat just mostly vegetables and stuff, you know, and the lobsters and the thing, but I will go at this more and more and more and more and more and more. This is good. So guys, I appreciate you being with me here until this time watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So just continue to like, share and subscribe, and just ring that notification bell so that you can be notified of more videos to come. And like my grandmother used to say, if you can be good, be careful. What?